Hello viewer, I have made completely Next.js complete e-commerce script where you can say this is the complete script. Here you can check simply that this is the category system: baby, woman, therapist, and this is also login and register system. Also this is the home page. This is about us, click about us, contact us, refund policy, terms, all page, all default setup, terms and condition page, and shipping info. So you can track order here, everything is here. So you can, when you click here, this is the dashboard, user dashboard. Here is this, there are all order. There is no order already, and my order, no order, and track order option. Here you can track order. This also setting, name, phone number, and email, password update option. This is also simple for the shopping option. So now from admin dashboard you can check here. This is the admin dashboard. This also we have made the modern looked. Check the everything. Also order, catalog, total product 9, and total item order 5. Also sales, this is amount, and this is the POS system. Also we have included the POS system. You can simply POS system here, just complete cell, make it. So click here, put the name, just confirm the pay, and also you can print here. So I am printing now. Success. So now also when it's print, now click the start. So you can do the also complete for system. Also category, here you can add category, you can also the subcategory, also add product, add a new product option. Here you can product, variant, size, color, everything you can check. And order, here is order, pending order, process order, shipped, delivered, cancelled, everything here is showing fine. So it's also profile, here admin profile you can check, admin profile you can change, password also you can change. This also setting, here you can store name change, logo name change, and logo name change, and so SEO meta description, meta keyword you can input here. Tracking and validation, Google Analytics, Metapixel, and Google Search Console. Also include here the currency setting. You can change the currency setting here. So I am simply ordering as a new guest from the normal delivery. So here, suppose this I can order here, click here. So stock 8, click add a cart. So go to cart, begin checkout. So here need to put phone number. So and phone number. So in the system is based on our Bangladesh platform. So inside Dhaka or 80 and outside at 150. So here it's put. And another city which is the out of Dhaka. So I click quickly delivered says 150. So everything is set up. So just click the place order. So order has been done. I hope you got it. So order, this is the order for system. Here is order has been done. So here is our order ID, track order. Here you can track, just click the order ID and click track. this is the pending. So go the admin here, click order, the latest order already come here. This is also showing the pending. Just click the process, instantly processing done. So now again here track, so now current status is processing. So you can pending, processing, shipped, and delivered option. You can check the total where it says here name, show, location, and phone number, and checking the item phone number, item amount, and shipping charge. Also adding the shipping charge here. Also place the order and time is here, also showing that time. So here is the complete process. So you can got the source code. I will put the source code from the GitHub. You just use code, click code, and use zip, and follow the command. Follow the command, and next you will set up. Next you will go the and database setup and update this, or also you will have the complete code here. So you will enjoy this. I hope you will enjoy the full code. Thank you. Also never forget to click the star, giving me star to motivate myself. Okay, thank you.